The Memefi airdrop will be listing on the and this is confirmed in the official Twitter handle. And in order to benefit fully from this airdrop, there are 3 things you must do. In this video, I'll show you 3 important things you need to do to be able to get your Memefi token in your preferred wallet, whether Bybit or Binance, whenever they list. Let's go. Welcome back. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to give Memefi access to your Memefi Telegram app, and to do this, you have to follow these steps. First, you open the Memefi Coin app on Telegram. When the app is open, you locate the 3 dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then a drop down will appear. You locate Settings and click on Settings. Then another drop down will appear. You locate the Data Collection Consent and toggle the switch on. By doing this, you're giving Memefi access to your Memefi Coin app. That's it for the first part. Before we get to this second and most important part, I would like you to use 2 seconds of your time to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and comment if you find this video helpful. With this, YouTube will recommend our video to others. Now, let's get to the second part. The second step is to buy Ethereum for the gas fee you use to withdraw your Memefi from your wallet when they list. How to buy Ethereum from Bybit and send to your Memefi wallet in Telegram. Now, if you don't have any USDT or any other coin in your wallet that you can swap to Ethereum, this is what you should do. And it should be after you have downloaded your Bybit, registered, and done your KYC. You click on More. Select P2P trading. Now under Buy here, you see USDT on this drop down arrow. You select it and you select Ethereum. Now you can buy Ethereum from any of these vendors. And when selecting a vendor, choose someone with good ratings. Here you can see some are 99 and some are 98. Pick one of them, buy from them. And once the order is complete, you go back, click on Assets here at the bottom right corner. The Ethereum should be reflecting in your wallet in the total assets. Now, if you have USDT in your wallet and you don't want to buy from those vendors, and you have USDT or any other coin in your wallet, what you should do is to click on Convert. A menu will open. You select the crypto you have. For example, we are using dogs here. You select dogs and you swipe and type Ethereum. Then it will appear. Then you put the amount of dog you want to swap to Ethereum, maybe 10,000. This is 100,000. 10,000 dogs. It will give us 0.0027 Ethereum for the amount of 10,000 dogs, but I'm not swapping here. Let's go back. Then that's what you do to get Ethereum if you already have any other crypto assets, maybe dog or hamster. After getting Ethereum now, click on Withdraw. You select Ethereum. If it's not showing, you search for it by clicking the search bar and it will appear. Now for your address, you have to go back to your Memefi app or your Telegram and click on Wallet at the bottom right corner. Then you click on Deposit. you copy the address there, the one that starts with 0x. Now, when you copy the address, you go back to your Bybit app, then paste the address. Then for the network, this is the important part. You scroll down and select Linea ETH, the last one on the list. Type in the amount you want to send to the Memefi wallet. And here, the minimum amount is 0.00032 Ethereum. So when you're buying, put that in mind. And then you click on withdraw after you've completed the details. Just click on withdraw. And you input the code that will be sent to either your Gmail account or your authentication app. And then that's it. Then you wait a few minutes and it should reflect on your Memefi Telegram app on the wallet section. So that's it, guys. When the Memefi coin finally lists on October, users will receive their token either in their Memefi wallet or any Ton wallet connected to their Memefi Telegram app. As you are getting ready for the coin to list, we should use this opportunity to rack up more points, invite more users to play the Telegram game, and get our wallet ready so that we can claim our airdrop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos from us.